Right then, if you saw my last video, you'll know that I spent ages sweating and swearing to fit a new alternator. Got it all done, turned the key, and it actually worked. But I was delighted, so I thought I reversed down the drive and pulled away, and psh, brake fluid everywhere, like a fire hose under the car. The road behind looked like an oil refinery had exploded, and it was leaking halfway up the car, right behind the driver's seat. Let me be clear, this had nothing to do with the alternator. It's like blaming your telly for a leaking tap, totally unrelated. But of course, it chooses the exact second I finish the job to fall apart somewhere else, because cars hate you. Could I fix it myself? But it's fiddly, and I've got no time or patience and a ramp, and I don't have the braking, the bits, and setting my toes on fire. So there's only one man for aid, the car whisperer. The legend who fitted the amazing exhaust that sounded like God clearing his throat. He's got the tools, he's got the ramp, and he won't lose his temper. Come with me and let's see if we can stop my 911 turning into an expensive slippery brick. Let's go.
Here we are, 6:30. Just finished doing a second brake point on this Porsche 911. Up round there, all up round there, all up through there, and what a nightmare. I wouldn't want to do another one, absolutely bloody joke. Yeah, just got to bleed the brakes up now, and hopefully we got to have a foot brake back on Darcy's car. There you go, Darce. What a bloody nightmare. That comes down round the wheel arch, which is your brake, where your brake pipe is there. If you can see that, where it's leaking. And then it goes up round and all up underneath the back of there. It comes down round to there. And that's your brake point, Darcy.